Make funny faces. Okay.
Fun Phoebe and Penelope.
Welcome back, friends, with Fun Phoebe and Penelope for another episode of Sink or Swim. Today we have yellow water, and Penelope's up first. What are you going to drop in first? Ooh, a robot? And does he stretch?
Wow.
Whoa.
What?
Cool.
Whoa, he stretches really long.
Okay, push him back in so he fits in the tank. And while you're doing that, what do you think? Do you think he's gonna sink or float?
Float.
Float? Penny says float. What do you think, Phoebe?
Float.
2 floaters.
Is he made of plastic?
Yeah.
Does he feel dense or does he feel hollow?
Dense.
No, does he feel like does he feel like
solid?
there's air inside?
Yes.
Or is there no air inside?
There's air inside.
There's air inside, so he's not dense.
Nope. He's
right?
hollow.
He's hollow.
What does hollow? Mama, can I take?
So what do you think? You still think he's gonna float or sink?
What's hollow mean? Float.
Hollow? That means there's nothing inside but air.
So we're still floaters?
Float.
Float?
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty. So let's check this out.
Okay, ready, Penelope? Is he gonna take a dip?
It looks like he's floating.
Oh, he's floating. He's
Yeah.
doing a belly flop.
He did a belly flop and now he's just floating like that.
Floating on air. You
Yeah.
each get 1
He's
point.
got buoyancy. It's called buoyancy. Okay, it's tied. It's 1-1.
Phoebe,
What's the
what do
next
you
one?
want to try?
I'm gonna drop in these nuts.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Nice. Okay. What do you think, girls? Let's
Do you
not
think
drop
they're
it
gonna
in yet.
sink or float? Phoebe?
Sink.
Penelope?
Sink.
Sinks?
Sink? Okay, 2 sinks. Let's see. Go ahead.
Oh,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
well, that's different.
Well, let's see. Do those have air bubbles on them, the top ones? Because some sank
Some floated.
and some float.
So we vote. I think that's a point.
But I think it's because
Yep, because the second Daddy touches them, they seem to be going down. Are they all going down? Oh, still some of them are floating.
some of them are floating, some of them are sinking.
So what will happen?
So we can't really, we're gonna, and then they're floating back up.
Put your finger in here.
Oh, fun.
Well, let's not rule on that one yet.
Nope.
We're gonna wait till the end, see if they absorb water or what.
Yeah.
Okay, so Penelope.
You both thought sink
Yep.
for peanuts. Okay, Penelope, it's your turn. What do you
Your
want to
turn.
try?
What are you putting in?
We're gonna wait until the
We're
end.
gonna wait. What is that?
CD.
That's a CD? Ooh, that's old school, huh? What do you girls think?
I think it's gonna float. Float.
Float?
2 floaters.
2 floats? Okay. Well,
Those are sinking.
what if it's heavy metal music on there? Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
Float.
Do you know what heavy metal
Float,
music is?
float.
Very noisy.
It's very loud
Very loud.
and heavy.
Float is still floating?
Yep.
Okay,
Both
let's check it
floaters?
out.
Okay.
Oh, it cut through the water. And it sank.
That's a sinker.
Oh, it sank. Wow.
Look at the peanut.
No,
That was
No points given for this one.
Yeah, that was a hard one because it was plastic, so it might have floated if it's plastic.
This one right here is plastic.
Yeah.
So that's plastic.
But
so I thought
this
it was
plastic, guess what? This plastic, did that plastic have any air inside?
No.
No.
So it's sunk straight to the bottom.
So it's more dense. It's called density. So it's more dense. So it fell into the water and sank. What? Okay, Phoebe, you're next.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna drop in this little.
Ooh, the mighty bean.
bubble.
Let me see. Let me get it closer.
Yeah.
Mighty
Give
bean.
Ooh.
It's a mighty
Whoa,
bean. There's
so
something
there's-
inside.
There's air inside of it. Is it heavy?
And there's a rattling thing. Is it a piece of metal inside or something? It rattles. What do you think is inside
It's a
that?
rock.
What do you think is
Maybe.
inside that mighty bean?
Rock.
A rock is in there, Penny? Do you think it's gonna sink or float, Penny?
Sink.
Sink?
Sink?
Phoebe? Sink? 2 sinks?
2 sinkers.
Dada.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see what it does. Whoa.
Wow.
But it came up with air bubbles. It's
Yeah,
sunk.
air bubbles came out of it.
Standing up.
It is standing straight up, isn't
Wow. It's like a weeble wobble or one of those, what do they call
it? There's
those?
weeble wobbles
Those
and
little
then
people things.
mighty
Mighty bean.
beans.
Yeah, but those little people, that doesn't fall down when you touch them.
Weeble wobbles.
Oh, they're called weeble wobbles.
I
Okay.
believe so.
All right. So what's the score?
Okay, so the score is 2-2.
2-2, tie score. You girls are doing great. It's tied. Okay, Penelope. Let's
What do you wanna
show your
do?
next item.
Oh,
What
the
is
little
that?
swimming doll.
Ooh, she got
Oh.
a removable hair. Looks like Marge Simpson. Turn her around. Let me see what she looks like. Oh, it looks like a troll Marge Simpson or Lil or something. Okay. Wow. Looks like an
Whoa.
ice cream cone head.
Is her hair squishy?
Is it
Yeah.
squishy? Is it like foam?
But down here is not.
Okay, but is her hair
okay.
like foam?
Yeah.
Okay. So is it really dense or does it have air, like little air pockets inside?
Air pockets.
Air pockets? So what do we think? Is it gonna sink or float?
Float.
Float? You think it's gonna float too? Because it's got air pockets?
Yep.
Okay, let's hold her up and let's see.
Is she gonna go for a swim? Oh, she's definitely
She's
a
swimming with the robot. She's
She
friends with the
is.
robot. Wow. That's neat.
She's cute.
Yeah.
Okay. We've got a tie game still
What's
at
the score?
3-3.
3-3. Nice. Okay, Phoebe, you're
What do
next.
you want to drop in?
I'm gonna drop in this cool troll.
What's
Troll?
his name?
Okay.
That's Branch.
Branch.
Branch. Yeah, he's got purple hair with blue body. He looks like a Smurf body.
It's actually blue,
Oh,
but they made it purple.
that's weird. What do you think, girls?
Do you think he's gonna sink?
He's got hair, and he's got is his body solid?
I think he's gonna float.
You think he's gonna float with his hair? What do you think, Penelope?
Sink.
You think he's gonna sink with his hair, even with his hair? Okay. All right. Hold on.
Let's
Let's
see.
see. All right. Let's face him. Okay. Face him towards the camera. Oh, you got him by the string of his hair. Okay. Let's
One,
see.
2.
He
Oh,
floated.
he's a floater.
His hair made him float.
Nobody's sinking.
Oh,
Is
let's.
he?
Oh,
Is
oh,
he?
whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see. Oh, oh no! Oh, he sank.
Good job,
Oh, he tricked us.
Penelope.
He tricked us.
I thought that was a
Nobody's
sinker or a
sinking.
floater.
He tricked
Good
us.
job,
He
Pen.
had us full, huh?
You sure did.
Wow. Okay.
Well, that broke the tie score. Penelope has 4 and Phoebe has 3.
I would have guessed he would float too.
I thought he was going to be a floater.
Okay. Good job, Penelope. You're getting good at this game.
No, that was me.
Oh, did you get sink?
Yeah. No, I got sink.
No.
No, Penelope
Yeah,
said
Penelope
sink.
gets
float.
sink. You said float. Okay. All right. Okay.
Phoebe, what do you want to put in now?
No, Phoebe just put that
Oh,
in.
yeah, you just put
Okay.
Branch in.
Penelope,
What are
what's
you
your
putting
next? Next item up for bid?
in? The woolly mammoth.
Ooh, woolly mammoth. Where did we get that guy from?
Look what I can do.
Oh, he comes apart. That's awesome.
Wow.
Where did we get him out from? Was it from a dino smasher?
Yeah.
Oh, Dino Smasher.
Dino Smasher.
I need to put it back
He's
in.
a blue woolly mammoth.
He was the Ice Age Dino Smasher.
Yep. Awesome.
Good
You
job.
got him? Okay, he's in. Okay, so
Do you
hold
think
him
he's
up.
gonna sink or float?
Is he gonna sink or float?
Is he heavy? So he came from your Dino Smasher Ice Age, huh? Is he heavy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Does he feel solid?
Or do you think there's air inside of him?
He's plastic, huh? Wow, okay. So what do we think? Oh, put his leg back on, he came apart. Okay, what do we think? Do we think he's gonna float or sink?
Sink.
Sink?
Sink.
We
You
got
think
two
sink too,
sinkers.
Phoebe? Okay. Alrighty.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see. Ooh! What
Oh.
splash! Oh, let's give it a second. Right now he looks like he's a floater.
Oh. What's he doing? Only a stay. Oh, whoa.
There goes the air.
Looks like he's farting. Oh no. Air came out of him. Oh.
He's holding up by his trunk.
His trunk is keeping him upright, but he's
He
saying.
definitely sang. Good
Okay.
job, girls. Okay, let's see. What's the score? 5-4. Penelope's still in the lead.
All right, girls. This is getting exciting.
Yeah, some of the ones that I thought were gonna sink floated, and the ones
So,
that I thought were gonna
was that-
float sunk.
They both said sink?
Yep.
I thought you said float, right?
Nope.
I said
Oh,
sink.
you said sink? Okay. All right.
I said sink.
You said sink too?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy's getting too excited.
Okay, Phoebe, what do you want to choose?
This crown.
The tiara? Ooh,
Okay.
it has sparkles in it.
Is it solid or is it metal or is it plastic?
Metal. Metal.
It's metal? Okay. So what do you think? Is
Sink.
it very dense?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so
It's thin though. I don't know.
do you think it's gonna sink or float, Penelope?
Sink.
Phoebe?
Sink.
Okay.
Sinkers. Let's see. Oh yeah,
Oh,
that went
that
straight
one
down.
sank
Good job,
really
girls.
Wow.
That wasn't even think about it. That was it's going down.
Good job.
Okay, good job.
Okay, Penelope, what do you have?
Fidget spinner.
A fidget,
Fidget
spinner?
spinner. Who's on that fidget spinner?
Boba Fett.
Ooh, a Star Wars
Daddy's
one.
favorite, huh? Ooh,
Oh
it's
yeah,
a
there you
spin.
go.
Is it plastic fidget spinner or is it metal?
Metal.
Ooh, metal. Is
So
it
it's
heavy? Is it really heavy? Mm-hmm. Okay, spin it a few times. Let's see. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, Phoebe, what do you think?
I think it's gonna sink.
You think it's gonna sink?
Sink.
Okay,
I
Penelope,
think
sink.
that's a good prediction.
Let's see.
Whoa,
Wow,
that was
that
heavy.
one went down fast. That's a sinker for
That's
sure.
a sinker.
Okay, what's
Okay,
the
let's see
score?
what the score is. It is 7-6. Penelope's
Wow.
still in the lead.
Okay, 7-6. Penelope's in the lead with 1 point. Okay, Phoebe, who's next?
What do you want to drop in? You have Jar Jar or you have a mirror?
I'm gonna drop in Jar.
Jar Jar?
Jar Jar? Okay, that's the worst character ever in Star Wars. Okay, I hope he sinks.
Is he heavy?
Yeah.
Do you think there's air in him?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is he plastic?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you think he's gonna sink or swim?
You think he's gonna, he doesn't swim, float? You think he's gonna sink or float?
Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink?
Okay, so how about you, Penelope?
Sink.
Sink? Okay, hold on.
Sink.
He's got that little flap behind with those big ears, so I don't know. Okay, so Phoebe, you were sink?
Yeah.
Penelope,
I
you were sink? Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Yep.
And he
went
stood
down,
right up.
and he's still standing up. Wow.
Do you know that Jar Jar lived in the water too?
Yep, so he's used to living in the water.
Good job,
Nice,
girls.
good job, girls.
Each get a point.
All right. So Penelope, you're next.
Penelope,
Is
what are
that
you
the
gonna
last
drop in?
one?
Yep, this is the last one
What
for
is
Penelope.
It's pink. What is that?
It's the applesauce.
Okay.
Ooh.
Wow, it's Mott's applesauce and it's full and it's sealed? Okay. So, let's see. This one's going to be a hard one. Do you think it's going to sink or float?
Sink.
Yeah.
Sink.
Sink, sink, and sink. Okay.
Sink and sink.
Alrighty, let's see.
Ooh,
Sink.
big splash.
Wow.
And that one's straight down.
Well, no, that wasn't the last one. Okay.
Last one for Penelope.
For Penelope, yeah. Okay, so what's the score?
The score is Penelope's at 9, Phoebe's at 8.
Alrighty. Wow, Penelope, you're still in the lead by 1. Let's see if we can tie this up, Phoebe. What do you have?
What do you have?
A mirror.
Nice.
The magic mirror?
It's
No.
nice. Okay, is it plastic?
Mhm.
Is it heavy?
Not really.
No? Okay. Penelope, what do you think? Is it gonna sink or float?
Sink.
Sink?
I'm
okay.
sink.
You're sink?
Okay, we got 2 sinks.
Okay.
Sink.
Oh,
Oh. It sank.
It did.
It
What?
sank.
It's
There was
Yeah.
air bubbles in it from where the mirror meets the plastic.
But I think it's being held up by the tiara. Yeah. Okay, so is that
Okay,
it?
That's it. We have a winner.
Okay, who is it this time?
episode, it's Penelope with 10.
Woo! Good job, Penelope. 10-9. Penelope wins this one. Sink or float number 3, version 3. Penelope's a winner. All right, girls. Let's wave bye-bye and say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, guys.
Wave bye. With your
Wave
ears.
your
Wave
wave
your
your
ears.
ears. Woo! Whee!
Guys, we're back because we forgot to give you the conclusion of the peanuts. So it's still a cliffhanger because most of them sunk, but there's still a handful that are floating.
So there is no
Definitive
answer to that. Some sank and then some float. So we can't make a
Even when we tried to
decision.
make them float, sink, they floated right back up.
yeah. So we can't make a decision as far as the correct answer to the peanuts. Do they sink or do they float? Some sank to the bottom, and
Some are
some are
floating.
still floating after the whole show.
So there you have it. Some peanuts sink and some peanuts float. We'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.